We have a Mercedes here. Not too bad. It was a little SUV, Mercedes. Typical wear and tear, nothing crazy. A little bit of haze, little yellow tops. But this particular vehicle, they're catching it in perfect time, so it's going to come out great. The driver's side was a little worse than the passenger side, but non-issue for us. Okay, here's the transformation. There you go, like new. Just like new. Broward Headlight Restoration. 754-302-0769. We are fully mobile. We come to you, your work, home, or office. As long as you're located in Broward, Miami-Dade, or Palm Beach County, call us today or text us a picture. 754-302-0769.